Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain how you can get a custom domain on Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify store and go to your admin page. Now, if you're just getting started with your store, usually you would see this on your homepage. It would ask you to add a domain for your store. You can go ahead and click on that to start adding your custom domain. If you don't see this option, you can actually go into settings on your bottom left, click on that. And then on your left panel, just look for domains. Now, whether you click the add domain on the home page or you go here, this would be your landing page. Now, if you already bought your custom domain, you can just go ahead and connect your existing domain to that one. But if not, you can go ahead and buy a new domain. Now, down here, this is the domain that your customers would see on your website. You can get a more unique or more personal kind of domain for your store. So let's go ahead and click buy new domain. In here, just type in the domain that you want to use and you can check from here if it's still available. So let's say I input green corner. Now it lets me know that greencorner.com is not available, but I have a few options here. Greencorner.ph or greencorner.store. Now I'd like to use this one and you would see how much you'd pay per year. And all you have to do is just click buy. Here you just have to confirm your payment details, and if you're good to go, just click on buy domain and your new custom domain should be up and running. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.